Hello friends, you're welcome back to our training video here on Chima Executive Video channel. Now, for those of us who mind Rocky Rabbit, I'm sure you've seen your location, the distributed coin on your page. And for those some of us, what you're going to be seeing is that you might be ready because the system said we are going to release these coins, these tokens, based on the time you made payment for that stone fee. So I know the first day they listed it, I wasn't qualified for that. It was yesterday. It opened up for me. Even today, I still see someone whose own can only be opened up by tomorrow. So that's how it is. So if you are not ready, no problem. But you need to watch this video because a lot of people are having problem already. They don't know what to do. I'm going to show you something right now. So to withdraw your coins now, look at what you're going to do. So when you come here, you are going to click on wallet area, this wallet. That's the wallet section. When you click on wallet section, you're going to see something exactly like this. So when you click on this, something like this is under deposits. Now click on withdrawal. I can see here, withdrawal, just click on that withdrawal. And then on that withdrawal, you're going to see that for me now, I have, they gave me half of this token, which is, I'm having 619 here. This is the price, this amount. So I'm going to click on it. Now, when I click on it, that's the total thing I have, but they are giving me half of it. They are holding back the other. So I have 309. You could see the price is around, the price of that coin since it was listed is just going down. So this should be just $1 point something. Now, already, because you mapped your Ton wallet before now, it's already there. Now, under amount, you choose amount. In this case, nobody that is reasonable will ever leave anything here. So choose maximum. Now, they say you can choose as small as 5,000 tokens. But I have 309,000 here. So I click maximum. Everything, please go. Now, the next thing is for you to click to send this code. And that's where problem is. If you are watching this video now and you've never tried this, you will think it's easy. This is where problem lies. That's where you see problem. And that's where a lot of people get tired and they say Rocky Rabbit is a scam project. Now, once you click on this send code, you might be thinking that this code will be sent to your phone number. No. Or your email. No. Or your direct message. Maybe you're looking for somewhere on Telegram where you're going to see it. I will show you where to find it. And you're going to do this within 1 hour, minute. If you miss 1 minute, you're going to send again. So once you click on this send code, I'll send it now. Watch. Once it tells me I sent, you see this, look at these 3 dots up here. I click on it. Click on open bot quickly. Just do that. Now look at, I found my code. Even though I'm not supposed to show you this. I've seen it. Okay, so I'm going to go back and put it. Of course, once you put the code and it's the right code, within the same period, click on confirm withdraw. It has gone. Withdrawal has been successfully completed. If I have not done this within that 1 minute and it runs down, I'm going to resend the code again. So I did it. I showed you how it is. I know if I'm not withdrawing, I know how dangerous it is to maybe have done that. So it's supposed to be personal with me. And so will you to your place. So do this. If you don't follow this step, you're going to sleep here till next month. And you're not yet done it. Now they told me that the withdrawal is successful. All I'm going to do now is to go to my wallet on Telegram. Let me just put this down. Go to Telegram wallet and still check again. So I go here. I click on wallet. Let me see if this token is already on my wallet. Or it's going to take out. If it's not there, I'm going to check my transaction. Whatever to see if any such thing is on the way coming. It's okay. Okay, you can see even hamster is already here, but I'm not yet seeing this particular coin here at all. Hamster has already made a placement here to show you how serious they are, but I'm not seeing this particular thing here at all. Now, another thing is to check, please be mindful of this. There's nothing wrong here for now. if I'm checking and I can't see this, then it could be that the wallet I attach might be coming from a turn keeper. So I'm going to check my turn keeper, because I always have either this, I use this, or turn keeper. So let me quickly check the turn keeper and see if something has landed there. So at this point, having seen that it's successful, what happened is that you might even check your balances and your wallet address and all that, your Telegram wallet, where maybe you have this or any Ton wallet, maybe Ton Keeper, my wallet, my Ton wallet, and all that. If you check for this coin and it's not yet there, just relax. You don't depart, and the system says successfully, withdrawn. So just give it time, so it's going to land. And if finally, like my own has not yet come in, if it comes in, I'm going to still drop a short kind of video to confirm that it's free. So if you are new to this channel, do it to follow us, subscribe, and be sure you are notified by hitting that notification bell, as we're going to bring you up, the follow-up videos, not only on this, but on other areas. Please follow and pay attention to teachers. Like this video and share so that others too can benefit. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.